We're running a 4707. That's a Massey Ferguson 4707. And we are pulling a 10-foot Unverferth 2 field cultivator. And it usually loads up a tractor pretty good, but this 75 horse, which weighs about 2,000 pounds more than the John Deere and the Kubota that we looked at, is pulling it very well. I'm very pleased. You can see we're pulling it pretty dang deep. Probably around 6-8 inches. That's doing fine. RPM is staying steady. We're pulling about 4.6 miles an hour. We got the new electronic button right here. So we preset the depth and we mash the button down. It goes to the preset. That's about a $480 option, maybe $500 option on these Global Series 4700 series tractors, but very well worth it. So here we go. I'm going to just mash the button, going down to the preset, and just holding it steady. Again, just working it up good. Doing a real good job. Got good moisture today. She's pulling it well. You can hear the engine, no problem. Got a lot of nice features on this tractor. You got your shuttle shift here, and you can adjust how quick and how soft or how aggressive it engages. 4-wheel drive. Got a lot of nice air vents in it. Nice radio. I mean, everything. Soft ride. These are part of the upgrades you get with that $400 option. You can get soft ride on the 3-point hitch, which is kind of like a hydraulic accumulator on the rear, and that helps you out. So you get that option, so it lets you set all your draft control. Again, just mash it down, and we're going down and just gonna catch these ends here. But as you can tell, it does a really good job. You can see it's very level out there. Done a good job. So, if you're interested in a good tractor and you're in the 75 horsepower range, so far, my buddy, my best friend, just bought this, and it really handles well. It's got a nice loader. We're fixing to go. We're going to try out this grapple of his. But you can see it's pretty quick, open dried up. So like I said, if you're in a 47, looking for a 70 horsepower, 80 or 100, I think they're making them up to 100 horsepower. But really good quality loader. You can see how the 3-point is hooked up right there with the third function. This is a Ambo grapple, so it handles real well. Some skid steer, see how the hoses are out of the way there. They're handling it with the loader. And like I said, really quick. I mean, you see how quick them hydraulics are with this diverter function. So, really nice unit. Like I said, Smith Farm Supply in Sandersville, Georgia. If you didn't know they sold Massey Fergusons, they do. And it's a good quality tractor. So if you got any questions, call Mr. Wade Thigpen over at Smith Farm Supply in Warrenton, Georgia. That's where the main store is, but they got a store in Sandersville. But like I said, it's a good quality tractor. We'll keep testing it out, and I'll be back in touch with y'all. But you can see we got a lot of shanks that we had in the ground here, and it pulled it really well. Y'all have a Merry Christmas, and I'll keep doing a few more recordings in a little while.